Welcome. In front of me I've got Jaecoo 5. In this video I'll show you how to replace wipers. Follow me and take a look at the front wipers. As you can see, wipers in this car does not require any wiper service mode because you can freely lift them up. Now, once they are up, to remove the wiper, press here and push it up. Now, remove the end and now you can replace only rubber or you can replace the whole wiper. In order to do it, push it here back. Same with the second wiper. In case of rear wiper, we have to enable wiper service mode because the wiper is hidden under the metal part. In order to do it, start the car. Now, stop the car and while stopping, enable rear wiper by twisting the right knob on the right side. As you can see, wiper service mode is enabled. To eject it, push on the both sides here and pull it out. Now you can replace the whole wiper or only the rubber part. Don't forget to install it back and it's done. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.